Well, friends, we have another thrift haul for you today. Happy July 4th, by the way. I went to the Ashland thrift store, and I also stopped at Restore again. Gonna get this for Emma's room. I was gonna get it, but she kind of needs it more, so I'll still be on the lookout. Yes, my large rug sold. He was so busy that day he never got it opened, so I never got an exact size other than possibly 5 by 12. Look at this gorgeous rug. It's got some sage green in it, some dark burgundy. More fake fruit. Oh, there's another bag. Oh, look how cute. Snoopy and Minnie Mouse. Nice cake stand. This reminds me of a neighbor we had, and she had geese everywhere. It's really pretty. Don't forget to check out the seasonal. I like the tarnish on the bells. Some more vintage linens and blankets. This is exactly what I was looking for, but it's twin. I don't know if I could sew it together. Still looking for tapestry. It's a cute little homemade pillow. These are some pretty big books. Well, friends, as you can see again, we're in my dressing room. We have another thrift haul for you today. I went to the Ashland thrift store, and I also stopped at Restore again. So let's see what we found. Hey friends, as I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a month-long thrifting series. I have found so much, I just have to break it down for you guys. And don't worry, eventually we're going to get to that Ashland Fairgrounds thrift haul. It is so huge. I will probably save that for a week or two from now. Anyway, that one will be a two-parter. But this is from the Goodwill in Willard. Oh, sorry, Ashland, too many places. This is from the Goodwill in Ashland. So I found two shirts, one of which I'm wearing right now. We have a parade, as most towns do. So I wanted to have a little shirt for that. And then I'll go with my daughter and granddaughter and whoever else wants to come, maybe my other daughter and the other granddaughters. That would be fun. We'll see what happens with everybody's schedule. The other thing I found was this St. John's Bay. I wore this at my friend's graduation party about a week or two ago. Anyway, very cute. Nice colors. So this was probably $4.99. Let's see what else I found there. As I've always said, shop seasonal. So I wasn't quite sure about the color. I put this in my cart, out of the cart, looked at it, pulled them out, ended up getting it. So $2. If I decide I don't want this color, it's not a big deal. I'm sure I could sell it for that. They're kind of a champagne pink. There. More of a rose gold maybe. Anyway, they're kind of in between, but I think they'll still look pretty. Valentine tree or this year, as I've mentioned to you guys, I'm going to do the sugared fruit on my mantle and have some deeper tones. Maybe the following year, I'll do some blush pinks and have a really soft Christmas. So that could be another idea. Whew. Oh, sorry. My hair is falling out. It's so hot in Ohio. The index is like 103 and I have to turn off the ACs to film. My husband was like, you better get those back on again or I'm going to be dying when I get home. So I'm trying to hurry up and film some of this so that I can get those ACs turned back on in the house. 1840s home, so all we have is window units. I found this little beauty. You know she was coming home with me. $4. Not a bad price at all. I've never had kind of a set. It has the spoon. I'm trying to see what that says in there. Maybe I'll just take it out for you guys. It doesn't have any markings on the back. Oh, it's attached. Okay. There's some more tape to get off. Oops. What does this say? What does this say? Blitz Manufacturing Company, Doylestown, PA, Bob Turner Incorporated. Okay. Anyway, it's got a polishing rag that comes with it. It's funny that there's no markings on it though. Let's see. The spoon probably has something. I can't read the back. There is something on it. Anyway, isn't that pretty? $4. Not bad at all. Add this to my tarnished silver collection, of course. And then I got 3 more things at that Goodwill. This will probably be a faster thrifting video. The last couple of things I got at that Ashland Goodwill. This was $2. It's not really my colors. There we go. It's in an old wooden frame with nails. I think my daughter's right. I can't quite tell. She said these are made out of dots. I think they are when you look closer. Anyway, not my colors, but I just could not let this stay there. It's so sad. If it went to the bins and somebody got it, I would not care. But I thought, even if I don't use the print, this is an unusual shape for a frame, so I will still use the frame. The glass feels very heavy in here as well. Kind of a fun print. If I was eclectic, I would definitely have these color tones in my home. So $2 on that one. Then after I checked out, somebody had left these peacocks. Somebody left these, no markings on the back. These were just at the checkout area. Somebody tossed them to the side. $2 each. So little tiny peacock plates. So I'll add those to my collection. And all these colors will probably go with my Christmas decor that I'm going to do this year with my Christmas theme. So I was excited to find those. So that was everything I found at the Ashland Goodwill. And I just found a few little things at Restore. I want to insert some clips. My daughter found, well, I found it actually, a really nice old wooden bookcase. I actually have one very similar that I found on the side of the road in Parma, trash picked, on one of their trash days. And hers is actually still wood. We painted ours and I distressed it, and my husband just made some nice little shelves for it, and it's in my dressing room. I'll try to get a clip of that. Anyway, hers was very similar. It's funny, it even had a little old-fashioned pencil sharpener on the top. So she is using that for Emma's little library nook at her home. So since we both needed one, I just told her, go ahead and take that one, and I'll look for another one. She also got a huge desk that was very solid, a solid wooden top, metal legs. I'm sure I have some footage of that as well. Anyway, she had that delivered. We couldn't get that in the car, obviously. She got that, and then she got that cute bookcase. Her wooden bookcase was $10, but on the porch, everything was half off. She got a great deal on that, and the desk was $20, so $10. So it was worth the $25 for delivery just for that desk. They charge per piece at Restore, so we didn't have them deliver the bookcase. We fit that in my car as well. I will show you what I got. So here's my haul from Restore. I accidentally showed this in my last video. This was on the porch, so this was $10, so I got this for $5. Super heavy. So I've definitely been finding the planters. Okay. As you know, planters are extremely pricey, so try to thrift them, go to yard sales. I'll show you the rest of what I got. Just a couple more random things. They had a whole set of encyclopedias. I did like the fact that these are black and kind of neutral. I don't really decorate much with brown, but that is very traditional. So I got 3 of them. These were 50 cents each, I believe. So $1.50. More books, more stacking. I got this large glass container. I know Sarah from She Holds Dearly decants a lot of her stuff, as do I, but she probably has way more containers than I do. So anytime I'm seeing something glass now, I just pick it up. This was $3, has kind of a frosted around the lid. Anyway, quite large. So anyway, somewhere in my kitchen or the pantry. So that was everything from Restore and the Ashland Thrift Store. Bigger hauls are coming. I have a decent sized one from the Willard Thrift Store coming up. And of course I have the Ashland Fairgrounds huge thrift haul. That will be a 2-parter. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for coming along with me and seeing what treasures I found. Let me know if you saw anything in the footage that you would have picked up that maybe I didn't. I know I saw so many things there that I think, was that the day I got the chair? I already showed you that thrift haul. That one is posting tomorrow. I'm filming like several weeks out. The one where I got the chair from Restore. This sweet little musical lamb used to be tied to Emma's mom's bassinet. It was a gift from my mother, so from Emma's great-grandmother. And here's the chair, finally up. Just happened today. Disregard the traffic through the window. It's ruining my ambiance. Anyway, it looks lovely. It is a recliner. I put the ottoman over here with the blankets so that I could hide the air conditioner cord. Now you guys know. So many chairs that day. I could have taken home several, but anyway, if you haven't seen that video, that will be linked in the description box and as well at the end. I will link my cottage tours as well. I am sure many of you would like to see what Don's been doing on the carriage house. Please consider subscribing to this little channel. It really helps if you watch and you like what I've shown you and you're interested in seeing what else I've got. Please Please subscribe and leave me a sweet comment. Don't forget to turn on the bell for the notifications so that you don't miss any of these future hauls. As I said, this is a month-long thrift series throughout all of July, so I can't wait to see you in the next video. And as always, you guys have a very blessed week. I will see you soon.